Alright, here we go. Alright. Pro racers, alright, so let's teleport to what you call it. I already have a marker there. Just Mario versus Donkey Kong. Wrong one. I got the other two. Oh, where are they? Oh no, it's probably too early. It's 6 a.m. Oh, there. Alright, let's teleport back to Lurelin.
What?
Lurelin.
I speak in Chinese.
No, I'm reading it.
Well, you're weird.
Yes, I know.
Not here.
Where do those two go?
Not here.
What does the message say? Oh, over there. See that blink there?
I obviously see it.
How far is it anyway? Hello, everybody. Hi.
Huh, yeah.
And that's how you complete it, folks. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.